Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing a clean, well-lit workspace and gathering tools, replacement protector, alcohol wipe, microfiber cloth, dust stickers, thin tape, and a plastic card. Once ready, use a small piece of tape to lift a corner of the existing protector and peel it back slowly and evenly. This prevents cracking and leaves less residue. Make sure to dispose of the old protector immediately. After removal, inspect the glass for stubborn adhesive and proceed to a deep clean so the new protector will bond properly. You clean the screen now, wipe with an alcohol pad to remove oils, then dry it with a microfiber cloth, checking at an angle under good light so you spot tiny particles. Next, dab dust stickers across the entire surface until no specks remain. Even a single particle will trap air. Once pristine, position the new protector above the screen and tape one edge to create a hinge. This gives you perfect alignment. Slowly lower the protector along the hinge to avoid misplacement and prepare to set it. You set the protector by lowering it along the hinge and pressing the center to let adhesive spread naturally. Then glide a plastic card from center to edges to push out air. Once adhesion is uniform, peel away any top release layer and run your fingers around edges to ensure full contact. If you find bubbles, heat the screen briefly with a hairdryer on low to relax the adhesive, or lift at the nearest edge. Use a dust sticker to remove the particle and reapply. That single dust trick usually fixes trapped spots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.